Hi, in this video I will be demonstrating how to multiply two binary numbers, and our example here is 110101100 multiplied by 111010. So what we do here is we take each element here and multiply by the top one, and we know 0 times all of this is going to be 0. For simplicity's sake and for understanding, we don't need to write this because the answer is going to be 0 0 0, but let's just mess up everything. It's gonna mess up everything. So let's just say we did that. We're gonna have 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 0 times this, all this, that's what it is. And then we proceed to this next level, which is 1. And 1 times all this is the same. Just move one step to the left. So it's gonna be 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0, because 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. That's what I meant by saying we just copied everything again all over. Okay, then we proceed to the next step, and you see now this next step will give us just zeros, so we need to just copy the zeros here. Normally no need doing that, but for the sake of understanding, following the steps that way, so that some of us who are still brand new in this process of binary thing should not get confused or should not get lost in the process. Okay, so I'll just copy that for copying sake. So 0 0 0, that means 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, so everything is 0. Okay, 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, now the next step now we need to have is this one. Now we are here now, so 1 times all this is that thing there, so we're gonna have 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 1. All right, then we proceed to this one, which is this one here. Gonna give the same answer: 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Then we move now to the last one here, which is this one. So it's gonna produce the same, copy the same thing which is up there. It's gonna give us 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Then we need to add everything. Add everything. Okay, so we're adding now. So this is gonna give us 0. This is gonna give us 0. This is gonna give us, this column here is gonna give us 0. This column here is gonna give us 0. This column here is gonna give us 1. Okay, because 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. This column here is gonna give us 1. Okay, we'll add all together. We add all this is gonna give us another 1, and then when we add all this one, it's gonna give us 3. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, and so that's gonna give us 3. Now 3 base 2 is 1 1. So let's verify that. 3 base 2, 3 base 2, 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. Then we divide 2 again, it's gonna be 0, remainder 1, because 1 divided by 2 is 0. It cannot go, so 0, remainder 1. That's what we mean. So we read it now, it becomes 1 1. So 1 1, so we write 1 and carry 1. So we write our 1 here. Let me just, we write our 1 here. We write our 1 and carry 1. Let's put the carry in different color because we have red everywhere here. So I'll put that in black. So we write 1 and carry 1 here. Let me just see if I can bring all this thing downward a little bit from here. No, from here. Okay, bring it down a little bit. How does that look? Fantastic, right? Okay. Yes, everything is still intact. So we wrote our 1 here, we need to carry 1 over here. So the 1 here, then we carry 1 to this column here. Okay, so we now have, so this gives our 1 and 1, this 1 1 here. Okay, now we're in this column now, so 1 plus 0 0 plus 1 plus 1, that gives us 3, and we saw that 3 base 2 is 1 1, so we write our 1 here and we carry our 1 here. Let's change this one into red. Okay, so now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives us 4. 4 base 2 is 1 0 0. 4 base 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 1, remainder 0, sorry. Now divide by 2 again, it becomes 1, remainder 0, then divide by 2 again, it becomes 0, remainder 1, so 100. So we write our 100 here. Let's change color so that we see what we're doing. We write our 100 here, so remember we read in this direction, yeah? This is how we read, from bottom to top. So we have 100, 100, so we write 0 and carry 10. So this other 0 goes here, and then this one comes here. So we have 100, 100. This is our 100, okay? So now we proceed like then. Let's change this one into red. Well, let's just leave it like that. When we finish, we can sort that out. So we have now 0 plus 1 plus 1, that gives us 2. 2 base 2 is 10. It's 10. 10. Okay, so we have our 0 here and carry 1 here. So now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives us 4, and we saw that 4 base 2 is 100. So we write our 0 here, our next 0 here, and then our 1 here. So 100. Okay, so now when we go to the next step, 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, that gives us 2. 2 base 2 is 10, so 0, then 1 here. Now we go to the next step, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives us 4. 4 base 2 is 100, so we write our 0 here, write our another 0 here, then write our 1 here, that gives us 100. 100. Then we move to the next step, we have our 0 plus 1 here is 1, then nothing here plus 1 is 1. So we have 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. And then change these colors into red. These 0 colors into red. Yep. So that's basically it. Change these ones into red. 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. So this is the answer. This is what we get when we multiply this number by this number. Okay, that's what we get.